So now let's write our code for depth first search post order. We'll bring up our tree here and our call stack, and then we'll start writing our method by saying DFS PostOrder, and then we'll create our list results that we're going to return at the end of this, and I'll bring that up from the bottom here. And with depth first search pre-order, we had a function called traverse. We're going to do the same thing here, and I'm going to start by bringing in the exact same traverse function. So this is exactly the way you would write traverse for pre-order. So in pre-order, we wrote the number to the list, and then we went left, and then we went right. But for post-order, we're going to go left first, and then right, and then append the value to the results list. So we have all the same code, it's just in a different order. So I'm going to move this up like this, and we'll kick this off by running traverse on the root. And when we do, that gives us an instance of the traverse function that is added to the call stack. Now 47 is going to look to the left first. There is an item on the left, that's the 21 node. So now we're going to run traverse on the 21 node. The 21 node has a node to the left, which is the 18 node, so that will get added to the call stack. The 18 node is going to look to the left, then it will look to the right, and then finally it will append its value to the results list like this. And once it does, we're done running that instance of traverse, so we can pop that from the call stack. Now the 21 is at the top of the call stack again. It has already gone to the left, now it can go to the right. And there is a node on the right, the 27 node, so we'll add that to the call stack. The 27 node is going to look left, it will look right, and then finally it will append its value to the results list like this, and then we can pop that from the call stack. So now the 21 is at the top of the call stack again. It's already gone left, it has already gone right. The only thing left for the 21 to do is to append its value to the results list. So we'll do that, and then we'll pop 21 from the call stack. So now the 47 is at the top of the call stack again. It has already gone left, now it can go right. So now we'll run traverse on the 76 node, and the 76 node will look to the left to see if there is a node there. There is the 52 node, so we'll add that to the call stack. The 52 will look left, it will look right, and finally append its value like that, and we can pop that from the call stack. The 76 has gone left, now it can go right, so we'll add the 82 to the call stack. It will look to the left, it will look to the right, and then finally append its value to the results list like that. We'll pop that from the call stack. Now the 76 is at the top of the call stack. It has gone left, it has gone right. Now it can append its value to the results list like that, and we'll pop that from the call stack. And then finally, the 47 node, the one we kicked all of this off with, it has gone left, it has gone right, and now it can append its value to the results list like this. And now we can pop that one from the call stack, and that was the original function call. So now the only thing left to do is to return the results list. So now let's take this code and add it in with the rest of our code like this. And that is our entire method for depth first search post order. So we'll look at this in a moment in VS Code. And when we do, we'll create this tree, and then we'll expect to get this list returned. All right, so let's flip over to VS Code. So there is our depth first search post order method there. And I'm going to scroll up. And this is going to create that tree that we just looked at. And this is where we'll run depth first search post order on that tree and print out the results. And when we do, we would expect to get this list here. All right, so I'll run this, and that gives us the list that we were expecting. All right, so that is depth first search post order.